take this old winch and add a forward and reverse controller to it. This is the kit we bought off Amazon. It came with a forward and reverse switch, a reversing relay, and some boots for the ends of your wire, and a small little card with a schematic on it to help you wire it. Looks to be fairly simple. This winch was being ran with jumper cable ends, just flipping them back and forth for forward and reverse. We're going to cut those off and replace them with eyelets, and then hook those to our relay. Now that we have our ends crimped on, we added these boots to cover them up, and we're going to connect it to our relay here. This is a 2-wire winch, and it also has a 2-wire diagram, and this is what you can use to copy for wiring it up. Now we're going to try to hook the remote up to it and see how that goes. This kit comes with bullet connectors on each end, and they only go one way. And this one has an eyelet, which will go right on your positive terminal here, which will connect to your battery also. And this relay has nice color markings and positive and negative marks on it, so it's really easy to see how everything wires up. We're going to use some leftover battery cables from a electric golf cart project. Both of them are the same color, so I put some silver duct tape on them and wrote positive plus sign on each one so I know which one goes where. Now that we're hooked to a battery, we can test and see if everything works. Out, in. Seems to work. Winch is a little noisy, but